Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to A Quick Note. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for overall well-being: how to balance your hormones. If you're ready to learn some quick tips to keep those hormones in check, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started. When your hormones get out of balance, it can mess with your health. Some things you can't do much about, but there are things you can control that affect your hormones. Your body uses the endocrine system to send hormones around, doing different jobs all day. Even tiny shifts in hormone levels can cause problems, like putting more stress on your body. If this keeps happening, it can turn into long-term issues. Luckily, for some folks, just making simple changes in how they live can fix their hormone levels. 1. Getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is super important for keeping your hormones in balance. Some hormones change levels during the day, and how well you sleep can affect them. A study from 2015 showed that not getting good sleep can lead to issues like obesity, diabetes, and trouble with your appetite. Making sure you consistently get a full, uninterrupted night's sleep can help your body regulate its hormones better. 2. Avoiding too much light at night. Looking at the blue light from phones or computer screens can mess up your sleep. Your body thinks it's daytime when it sees this light and changes its hormones. A study from 2015 found that being around bright artificial lights at night can confuse your body. It might stop making the hormone melatonin, which does a lot of important things. To keep your hormones on track and get back to a natural sleep schedule, try avoiding artificial lights. 3. Managing stress. A study from 2017 shows a connection between stress, the endocrine system, and hormone levels. The researchers say the link is strong, and even a little stress can make your endocrine system react. Stress makes your body produce more adrenaline and cortisol. If these hormones get too high, it can mess up the balance and lead to things like obesity, changes in mood, and even problems with your heart. So, it's crucial to find ways to lower stress. A study from 2015 suggests that just listening to music can help reduce stress, especially if you're trying to chill out. 4. Exercising. Regular exercise can help control your hormones and prevent overeating. A study from 2014 found that even brief exercise sessions can regulate hormones that manage appetite. Additionally, a 2017 article highlights that staying active lowers the chances of developing insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. So, making exercise a regular part of your routine is not just good for your body, but it also helps keep your hormones in check and reduces the risk of certain health issues. 5. Avoiding sugars. A review from 2015 backs the idea that sugar is linked to problems like metabolic disease and insulin resistance. This hints that cutting out sugar from your diet could help control hormone levels, including insulin. While some people avoid certain sugars, a study from 2015 discovered that table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, and honey all caused similar reactions. So, it might be better for a person to steer clear of all added sugars instead of just specific types. 6. Eating healthy fats. Eating healthy fats can help keep your hormones in check when it comes to appetite, metabolism, and feeling full. A study from 2018 proposes that medium-chain fatty acids, like the ones in coconut or red palm oils, might help control the cells that respond to insulin. In addition, a study from 2015 discovered that olive oil could balance the levels of a hormone that controls appetite and aids in digesting fat and protein. Another study from 2015 showed similar positive effects. So, including healthy fats in your diet, like those found in coconut oil, red palm oil, and olive oil, can contribute to hormonal balance. 7. Eating lots of fiber. Eating enough fiber is good for your gut health and may also help control hormones like insulin. A study from 2014 highlights that certain types of fiber not only help regulate insulin but also balance levels of other hormones. This dual action can contribute to maintaining a healthy weight. So, including fiber in your diet is not just good for your digestion but can also play a role in keeping your hormones in check and supporting a healthy weight. 8. Eating plenty of fatty fish. Eating fatty fish with high levels of fats can be good for your heart, digestion, and may even support your brain and nervous system. A study from 2018 suggests that having a diet that includes oily fish may help prevent mood disorders like depression and anxiety. In certain situations, adding oily fish to your diet might also be helpful in treating these disorders. The omega-3s in fatty fish seem to play a crucial role in balancing mood, but more research is needed to fully understand this connection. So, enjoying fatty fish can be a tasty way to benefit both your physical and mental health. 9. Avoiding overeating. Consistently eating too much can cause long-term metabolic problems. However, a study from 2013 discovered that even short periods of overeating can alter the levels of circulating fats and increase oxidative stress. The researchers also observed an uptick in ceramides, which are fat cells in the skin. They suggested that a significant increase in ceramides might contribute to insulin resistance. More research is needed in this area to fully understand the impact of short-term overeating on these factors. 10. Drinking green tea. Green tea is a generally healthy drink with antioxidants and compounds that support metabolic health. A review from 2013 suggests a connection between green tea consumption and lower fasting insulin levels. The antioxidants in green tea may also assist in managing oxidative stress. So, sipping on green tea could be a good choice to promote overall health and potentially regulate insulin levels. Thanks for tuning into this episode of A Quick Note. We hope you found these tips on balancing hormones helpful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more quick and informative content. Take charge of your health, and until next time, stay tuned for more quick notes on various topics. See you in the next video.